Rookie Racer construction update, May 21st. Looks like they might have all the pieces in now. And it looks like there's finally some stuff actually happening. Oh, there goes the boss. They got a digger over there. It looks like they're finally moving some dirt around. Shouldn't be too much longer. We start seeing some real progress. Here's from the other side of the old Dragon's Wing entrance. When you're standing over here, you're really close to some of these pieces. There's the fence. There's the pieces. There's the digger. You can see some of the dirt's already been moved around and rearranged for construction. Pretty exciting.